Did you know that millions of homeowners in the US qualify for HUD home repair grants, but most never apply? In fact, thousands of dollars in free repair funding go unclaimed every year. If you're struggling with home repairs and worried about the costs, you might be eligible for financial help, and you don't even have to pay it back. Let's break down everything you need to know about HUD home repair grants. Owning a home is a huge responsibility, and keeping up with the repairs can feel overwhelming, especially when unexpected issues pop up. Whether it's a leaking roof, outdated electrical wiring, or structural damage, repairs aren't just inconvenient, they can be expensive. That's where HUD home repair grants come in. These grants, funded by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, help low income and elderly homeowners make essential repairs to keep their homes safe and livable. The best part, this isn't a loan. If you qualify, you don't have to pay it back. But most homeowners have never even heard of these grants or don't know how to apply. That ends today. Let's talk about the biggest challenge homeowners face when it comes down to home repairs: the cost. The average roof replacement is $8,000 to $15,000. Plumbing repairs, $300 to $4,000. Electrical updates, $2,000 to $10,000. For many families, these numbers aren't just intimidating, they're impossible to afford. And when repairs are put off too long, minor issues turn into major problems, creating unsafe living conditions. Here's the real kicker: many homeowners assume they have no financial options, and they even end up living in unsafe homes or deteriorating homes. Meanwhile, programs exist to help, but people either don't know about them or don't understand how to access them. That's why Hub Home Repair Grants are a game changer. But how do they actually work? HUD Home Repair Grants are designed to help homeowners in need, especially those who are elderly, disabled, or living in rural areas. So, who qualifies? Good question. Low income homeowners. Specific income limits depend on your location. Seniors, 62 years and up, in most cases qualify. Individuals with disabilities. Homeowners that live in rural communities. What types of repairs do these grants cover? Roof repairs and roof replacements, electrical and plumbing system updates, accessibility modifications, which include ramps, grab bars, and widened doorways, heating and cooling system repairs, structural and foundation repairs. So how do you apply? Here's the next one. Check your eligibility. Visit the HUD website or your local housing agency. Next, gather necessary documents in your proof of homeownership, which also includes income verification and repair estimates. Next, submit your application through these programs by the state or local agencies. So check your application deadlines for more information. Many programs have limited funding, so applying as soon as possible is the key. Let me tell you about Maria, a retired homeowner who was living in a home with a leaking roof and faulty electrical wiring. She was terrified of her growing repair costs, but had no idea that the HUD grants could help. After a friend told her about the Section 504 HUD repair grant, she applied, and within a few months, she received $10,000 in grant money to fix her roof and update her wiring. Not only did this make her home safer, but it also increased her property value and gave her peace of mind. Maria's story is just one example of how these grants can completely change a homeowner's situation. The reality is that thousands of homeowners qualify for HUD home repair grants, but never take advantage of them. If you're struggling to afford repairs, you don't have to do it alone. There are programs that exist specifically to help people like you. So let's recap. HUD home repair grants provide free money for essential repairs. They are available to low income homeowners, seniors, and people with disabilities. They cover critical repairs like roofing, plumbing, electrical updates, and accessibility improvements. Most people don't even know they qualify. If you or someone you know could benefit from this, start researching today because the funding is there, but you have to take action and claim it. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with expensive home repairs? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more homeownership tips and check out my videos for other housing assistance programs that can help save you thousands. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now, and I'll see you on the next video.